Hi, Shannon. How's your week so far?
Hey, Mike. Pretty good. Busy at work, but glad it's almost the weekend.
Same here. Do you have any plans?
Yeah. Meeting a friend for coffee on Saturday and might go for a walk after.
I'm going hiking with friends. We going to the mountains outside the city,
Nice. How far is it?
about an hour's drive. We'll leave early.
Good idea. Mornings are cooler and better for photos.
Exactly. After the hike, we'll have a picnic. What about Sunday?
I like to keep Sundays slow. Maybe cook, read, or watch a movie.
Sounds perfect. I'll probably rest too.
Weekends need balance, some activity, and some rest.
True, I'd better get back to work.
Have fun hiking, Mike.
Thanks. Enjoy your weekend, Shannon.